This challenge is called Enhance. It's a medium-level challenge from the forensics category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, download this image file and find the flag. And there's a link that leads to the image file. So what we need to do first is we need to right-click on the link and then select Copy Link Address. After that, we can go over to our web shell and begin the challenge. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a directory to work inside. So it's going to be mkdir enhance. And then we're going to enter that directory. And then we're going to use the wget command to copy the file. So it's going to be wget and then space, and then we're going to paste in the file link with Control-Shift-V. After that, we can hit enter, and that's going to download the file. And we see that we've downloaded the file here. If we use the file command on this file, we see that it is an SVG scalable vector graphics image file. So what we could do is we could get the metadata for this particular file by using EXIF tool, and that's going to get the metadata for this file. So we see here that there's a lot of data about this image, such as its width and height, and some other details, but there's nothing that we can really use as far as getting the flag is concerned. So what we can do inside of these picture files is that we can get the strings from the picture files, and the strings are different from the rest of the data inside the file because picture files contain two types of data within them. There are human readable strings, and then there is machine readable data. We can get the strings that are human readable from a file by using the strings command, and to do so we use strings and then the name of the file. So it's drawing.flag.svg. So we see here that we get a lot of different information from this file, but one thing that we note is that among the information that is human readable from the strings command here, we see a pattern here. So there's a P here, and then an I, and then a C, and then an O, and then C, T, F, and then the rest of the flag over here. So the flag has been split up amongst all these lines over here. We can reassemble this. So we can just start typing out picoCTF like this. And then we can grab the rest of the flag. We can copy it. And then we can paste it into the console here. And this part we also have to copy. Then paste it. So one thing about this format is we should probably remove all these spaces. So we can just manually remove these spaces. And now the flag is ready to be submitted. So we just need to copy this and then go back to the challenge page. And in the flag submission field down here, paste in the flag and then click on the Submit Flag button. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.